So, who's presenting today's topic?
Did you select any topic?
Yes, I am going to discuss about the NGOs.
NGO. What is that?
NGO means non-governmental organization. World NGO Day is annually observed on 27th February, officially recognized and declared by the 12-member countries of the 9 Baltic Sea NGO Forum in 2010 and first time marked by the UNEU leaders and international organizations in 2014.
World NGO Day, February 27th, was established by Marcus Liers Cadmanus. It was officially recognized by the Baltic Sea NGO Forum of the Council of the Baltic Sea States on 17th April 2010. The member countries of the Baltic Sea NGO Forum were Belarus, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, Germany, Iceland, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, Russia, Norway, and Sweden. World NGO Day was officially adopted into the 10 Baltic Sea NGO Forum's Final Statement Resolution on 23rd to 25th April 2012, part of the German CBSS presidency of the Council of the Baltic Sea States. The forum was taking place at Humboldt University in Berlin, Germany. The first commemoration was on 27 February 2014. World NGO Day is observed or celebrated every year on 27th February. This aims to inspire the public to come up more actively connected within the NGO sectors and growth of interdependence among NGOs and public. The worldwide concept of this day is observed, memorialized and collaborated by NGOs all around the globe and the public involved, in which all have a great contribution to our society.
Marcus Liers Cadmanus established the February 27th World Non-Government Organization Day. On 17th April 2010, it was known officially by the Baltic Sea NGO Forum of the Baltic Sea States. The first celebration of this day was in 2014, 27th February at Helsinki, capital of Finland, and Finland's Ministry of Foreign Affairs was the host of it. Many organizations and worldwide famous personnel, UNESCO, UN, and European Union leaders were gathered there.
The objectives of the celebration are to list out yearly achievements and contributions of NGOs which they had done for the sake of society, to provide knowledge about the NGOs and its importance, how it works selflessly for the betterment of our society, country, or the whole world, to inspire people through their various events, rallies, or through many effective contributions in every field, to promote NGOs of our globe and to establish or maintain a better relationship among them so that togetherly it will be a very easy task to solve any problem.
Celebration. On this day, organizations organize many special events to celebrate it. They provide many social welfare services on this occasion. Persons who are not involved in any NGOs also celebrate and participate in the community works which organized for the celebration purpose. On this day, the great role of persons in NGOs commemorated and honored. Also, reward distributions take place to honor the spectacular selfless service of the person in this world. Now, in this 2021, we are celebrating 8th World NGO Day. Let us all celebrate this day, acquiring some more knowledge about the World NGO Day and try to provide every support to them who are working hard selflessly for the sake of our society.